Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styles, and from the title you can tell we'll be doing an install today. Today's unit is from Gorgius-Hair.com, and to start off my install I'm just going in with lightly plucking the roots of this unit. So this unit came pre-plucked, and also this is a C-part unit. I have never installed a C-part unit. I've never even heard of a C-part unit. But as you can see around the perimeter, it kind of gives the illusion of a frontal, but it is a side part and it's already parted for you. You can possibly switch this to the center and it will still work, but I'm going for a side part unit. So the benefits of having a C-part wig is that it is one, affordable, and it gives the illusion of a frontal. So to start the install, I'm just going in with my hot comb to straighten out the roots a lot more so that I can have it neat and I can see really what the hairline is looking like and what I'm working with. This helps with the installation process for me personally. As I said before, this unit came pre-bleached, it came pre-plucked. I did pluck it a little bit more because that's simply my preference, but I didn't have to bleach the knots anymore. I just added a little foundation on the lace and I was good to go. This hair is also in a curly pattern, so to style it I'm going in with my 1-inch straightener from Remington, and I'm just adding in light waves because I did wash the unit, and so it's giving more, you know, kind of like beach waves, but I just wanted a little bit more curls, so that's what I'm doing here with my straightener. Once I have the hair, you know, curled and looking the way I like, and that hairline is looking so bomb, like it's so seamless, I'm just gonna go in with installing this unit. And as usual, I won't be using any glues. I'm using my EBIN spray to install. This unit came with combs towards the sides, the middle, and the back, which is very good. So I'm just cutting off some of the excess lace so I can actually see what I'm doing. The hairline is looking amazing here, obviously, but after going in with my whole installation process, I realized that, you know, the part that I actually plucked or came pre-plucked, because of, you know, my circumference of my head, I had to pluck it a little bit more just to match my hairline. But I think if you are around a size 22 or a medium wig, this would fit perfectly. You would not need to pluck it at all. Like, you can literally wear this straight out of the box. But let's talk about the color. The color of this unit is simply amazing. It looks so great on my melanin skin, and I'm just excited to see the finished product. So I'm going in as usual with my Got2b spray, the tension method. The hair is already styled, so once I'm done and it's all set, I'm gonna come right back and show you guys the final look. process, I'm just going to remove my band that I use for the tension method and the satin scarf, and I'm going in now to just kind of flex the curls a little bit, make it look a lot more effortless and free and not so stiff. And then I'm going in with a little bit of my Bio Silk to just add back some life to the hair, and then just tease out the curls with my fingers. You could use a wide tooth comb here as well, but this hair holds curls really well. I curled this from the night before, and as you can see, the curls are still holding up. It holds curls really well, so I really love that. And it didn't really take me a long time to curl it or anything like that, so I'm absolutely enjoying the color. Again, the lace is superb. You don't need to bleach this, you don't need to pluck it or anything like that. You simply could wear it straight out of the box. I am enjoying this color. Let me know in the comments how you guys are feeling. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and all the links will be in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.